In my classroom, I want my students to understand that they need to treat their equipment with respect. Here's an example of my class taking that promise.
I promise
To always treat my equipment
to always treat my equipment
and crew with respect.
and crew with respect.
I promise
I promise
to always carry my equipment
to always carry my equipment
with 2 hands.
with 2 hands.
I promise
I promise
to never have food and drink around.
to never have food and drink around.
I take this promise
I take this promise
because I want my equipment to last.
because I want my equipment to last.
Create your own promise with your own class, and your students will understand how important it is to take care of their gear. We are always ready to assist you and help your media program grow. At any time you need assistance or have questions, please contact through our website at secctv.org or call 916-920-1006. My name is Trevor, and thanks for watching.